The INAIR 2 Pro is one of those products that instantly makes you rethink how you consume media and get work done. Imagine slipping on a lightweight pair of AR glasses and suddenly unlocking a massive 135-inch, 120Hz ultra-high-definition personal display, whether you're connected to your smartphone, your laptop, or even a gaming device. That's exactly what this headset delivers, and it doesn't just stop there. It even supports multiple virtual screens and ultra-wide displays when connected to Windows or Mac, giving you an immersive setup that's far beyond any traditional monitor. Before we dive deeper into everything these glasses can do, make sure to subscribe and like so you don't miss more tech reviews like this. What really sets the INAIR 2 Pro apart is its unique spatial 3D AR operating system. This isn't just another portable screen, it's an entirely new way to interact with your content. With real-time 2D to a 3D conversion, you can take flat videos or images and watch them come alive with layered depth. That means movies feel cinematic, old photos take on new life, and even everyday tasks like browsing or coding gain a sense of dimension. It's the kind of effect that has to be experienced to be fully appreciated. For professionals, this headset is more than just entertainment. The INAIR 2 Pro doubles as a complete productivity tool. Picture yourself coding on the go, giving presentations with interactive 3D models, or running multiple applications side by side in a virtual workspace without needing bulky monitors. With support for Android, Mac, Windows, and even Steam Deck, it's compatible with a wide range of devices, making it incredibly versatile whether you're working or gaming. The design itself deserves attention too. The INAIR 2 Pro is compact, portable, and comes in a foldable case that includes the glasses, keyboard, and pod. That means it's not only easy to carry but also feels like a full computing hub packed into something you can toss in your bag. Combine that with a vibrant 3840 by 1080 binocular resolution, 46-degree field of view, and refresh rate of 120 Hz, and you're getting an experience that's smooth, sharp, and easy on the eyes even during extended use. User experience seems to back this up strongly. Customer reviews highlight just how immersive the visuals are, with many pointing out that it's far more engaging than watching content on small traditional screens. Some praised the 3D effects while others noted how comfortable the glasses felt during long sessions. One reviewer even mentioned using it for client presentations, calling it a total game changer for professional work. In terms of technical performance, latency is impressively low at under 20 milliseconds, so whether you're gaming or working, the response feels instant. Plus, with 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage built in, you're not just dealing with a dumb display, it has the processing power to keep things smooth. The adjustable nose pads and prescription lens compatibility also make it accessible for a wide audience. Battery life is always a concern with AR glasses, and while no headset is perfect, the INAIR 2 Pro seems to hold up well. Users report being able to get hours of continuous use without major issues, which is a relief considering how power-hungry high refresh rate displays can be. Fast US delivery and a 1-year warranty also add peace of mind, which is important when investing in new tech. Entertainment lovers are especially going to enjoy this. Watching a movie like Titanic with real-time 3D conversion is a completely different experience than sitting in front of a TV. The AR effects are depth without requiring special files or formats, and the sound quality is tuned to match the immersive visuals. It really feels like stepping into a theater-sized screen, except you're in your living room or even on a plane. When compared to other AR glasses, the INAIR 2 Pro stands out for delivering premium features at a price point that undercuts some of the more expensive competitors. You're still getting vibrant micro-OLED panels, multi-screen setups, real-time 3D conversion, and smooth 120Hz playback without needing to spend a fortune. That makes it an appealing choice for both enthusiasts and newcomers to AR tech. All in all, the INAIR 2 Pro isn't just a wearable display, it's an entirely new way to think about computing and entertainment. Whether you want a massive screen on the go, a productivity boost with multiple virtual desktops, or an immersive movie experience, these glasses bring it all together in one sleek package. If you're a tech enthusiast looking for the future of portable computing and entertainment, this might be it. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more reviews on cutting-edge devices like this.